Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So you guys, I am back with another Grinch video. Grinchmas is coming up. If you're gonna do a Grinch theme this year, you want to see what's in all the stores, okay? And you've come to the right channel because I have Grinch theme items from multiple stores. Today we're in Dillard so that you can get a look at what's in Dillard's, okay? So on your next mall trip, or if you know you have like a standalone Dillard store somewhere near you, you can go stop in and get some of this Grinch stuff if that's going to be your theme this year. But make sure you check out the channel, okay? Browse around on my channel because I have Grinch themed videos for places like Hobby Lobby, Walmart, all kinds of different places, okay? So yeah, in Dillard's, okay, they have quite a few options to choose from, surprisingly, okay? They have blankets, they have cups, they have Christmas tree toppers, animated Grinch climbing up like the tree, they have towels. They just have a good selection of stuff for you to choose from, and I feel like it's definitely worth checking out. I love some of these little pieces, and I like seeing what's at different stores whenever you're looking for Grinch theme items, because some places have like a Grinch that has a different look, okay? It's given like, you know, kind of like the old Grinch look versus new Grinch look, and just, you know, there's a lot of variation when it comes to Grinch items. You know, if you didn't realize that some of the stores, they look a little different, okay? So that's why you'll want to watch the channel and see what's at the different stores so that you can see what's gonna match the look of the items that you have, or it can just help you decide which Grinch you want to go for with your theme this year. I also like going to the store and seeing all of these different Grinch items because they're great inspo for if you want to do some DIY Grinch projects for Christmas. Like if you want to do a DIY Grinchmas and maybe say like, okay, let's do a day where I'm decorating ornaments or making my own little DIY Grinch ornaments. Going and seeing these things will give you inspiration. And if you don't feel like going, that's why you come to the channel and you can watch and see what's in store, and you can watch on the channel and get some inspiration from here as well. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you all this quick look at what's in Dillard's for Christmas this year, and hopefully if you saw something that you like, this will make your shopping trip easier. I want to make it easy for you guys to shop. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with someone that you know, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.